Climb out. Once or twice?
Once.
Once, yeah. And propeller area clear. Clear prop! And ignition switch start.
Quarter mile out. 66 Alpha.
To solo other airport, yes. To solo the pattern, no. Pattern 1500, but this pattern's not open at Long Beach. They just closed it. They just closed it. And the lowest pattern or ceiling is defined as broken or overcast. So if it's scattered or few, then you're okay. But Torrance looks lower right now. Yeah, I think they're reporting lower. I think I'm flying over at Compton right now, but
Alright, look for traffic. SoCal, come with your
what's up? I mean, I'm on the ground in the run-up area at Compton, but yeah.
Is it
yeah,
okay?
broken at 38, that's too low. Here, I'll show you. This, yeah, you can just look at the tap for, Torrance, just monitor that. This hasn't been working. But yeah, that's really all I can do for you. Just monitor the tap and METAR at Torrance and see if it opens up here. Cool. Alright, so it doesn't work. Alright. Do the run up? Do the run up here.
Yeah, do the run up.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna go back up in the pattern right now, but just watch that, and if you can go up, if not, then just reschedule. Cool. Alrighty, I'll catch you. Bye. 123. So back to CTAF. So you see this this frequency here?
Yeah.
That's for the that's what I've been making announcements on. So there's no tower controller, right? So oh, actually that should be alright, run up complete. Run up's all done?
Yep.
Alright, let's go taxi up there. Alright. Pattern work, okay? There's no one to call.
Just go?
Just go.
Brake release.
Compton runway, helicopter 753 to Sierra, 3 miles south, 800 feet, inbound for landing, 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot Romeo, final 25 left, Compton.
Alright, so you're going to go out there and you're going to hold short. Okay?
Hold short.
Yep, there's going to be a guy on, guy coming in. Alright, so hold the brakes. My controls actually. I'm gonna do the same. We can do this way too. Yep. That guy's going into LA, right? We're clearing the airspace. No one over here. No one in downwind. Nope. No one. Guy right here on final. That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Compton runway, up the 32 Sierra.
Your
2
controls.
miles south, 700 feet, inbound for landing, 25 left, Compton.
Alright, when he gets off the runway, we're gonna take it, okay?
Yep.
Compton traffic, fleeing 821 Foxtrot Romeo, Alpha Echo, taxi back 25 left, Compton.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Compton traffic, Cessna 51594, taking 25 left, closed traffic, Compton.
Light.
Lights.
Camera.
Camera.
And
Action. Full rich, good. Alright, here we go. Power set. Center line, power set.
full power.
Yes, sir.
Engine instrument.
Full power, all the way.
Compton runway, up the 32 Sierra.
Engine instruments.
And the left runway,
and
25
the
left,
green.
Compton.
Speed alive.
Airspeed alive.
55 knots. Rotate.
Rotate. And pitch forward to accelerate. 76.
76.
Start your left turn.
Left turn.
Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, turning behind the helicopter is about to turn base, will be left base, 25 right, Compton traffic. Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot Romeo, departing 25 left, left closed, Compton.
Compton 594, Crosswind 25 left, Compton. Pitch up.
Compton runway,
They climbing faster, right? Or slower, sorry, 76.
76.
Alright, downwind turn is right here, this street.
Yep.
Left turn.
Left turn.
Compton runway, up the 32 Sierra. Final 25 light, Compton.
Compton 594, downwind 25 left, Compton. Up to 1,000 feet, alright? 1,000 feet here.
1,000 feet. Level flight.
Yes, sir.
Engine. Bridges.
Yes. Alright, so same thing. You're going to aim for the numbers, alright?
Yeah.
You can't land before them, okay? Displaced threshold. Alright, before landing checks, let's do them.
Before landing check
Helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, turn final, 25 right, Compton traffic.
Engine light on. And big shall reach. Clear.
Alright, car feed also on.
Helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot,
1,000 feet.
25 left,
1,000
Compton
feet.
Power
Compton runway,
1800.
up the 32 Sierra, taking off from runway, 25 light, Compton.
1800,
Compton
below
traffic,
110,
821
flaps 10.
Foxtrot Romeo, turning left crosswind for left closed, Compton.
We're a little bit high. 1700 is good. Alright, that street out there,
Yep.
that's going to be your base turn, okay?
Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot Romeo, turning left downwind for 25 left, Compton.
Left turn.
Right now, yeah, left turn.
Left turn.
Compton, Cessna 51594, base 25 left, Compton.
Compton runway, up the 32
Go ahead
Sierra.
and roll out, wings level.
Turning crosswind.
Roll out, wings level, flaps 20.
25 left.
Power 1300.
Power 1300.
Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, departing 25 left closed traffic, Compton traffic.
70 knots, go for
70
70 knots. Left turn final.
Finer.
Compton 5904, final 25 left, Compton. Turning back. Turn. Want the left runway. Yep. Alright, 70 knots, flaps 30.
70 knots. Left starry.
65 now, 65 knots.
5 knots.
We're getting back to center line, okay?
Yep.
Pitch up for 65.
Pitch up.
Yep, hold that.
Check up traffic, helicopter right, Charlie Foxtrot, left crosswind, left downwind.
Alright, numbers aiming point. Yep. If you're looking like you're going above them, reduce power. Below them, add power. Pitch up to 65, so it looks better. 65.
65.
Good. Add 200 power.
Add 200 power.
Good. Yeah, we were below for a second. This looks better. 65, right at 65.
65.
Good. Good.
Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot, Romeo base 25 left, Compton.
Reduce power. Power idle.
Power idle.
Good. Start to round out slowly.
Slowly.
Hold it off the runway. Hold it off the runway. Oh, my control.
Gear control.
Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot, Romeo, final 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, have the 32 share turning of left base 25 right, Compton.
Compton 5904, clear 25 left. Compton, taxi back.
Compton traffic, helicopter right, Charlie Foxtrot, left downwind 25 right, Compton
Alright,
traffic.
after landing, checklist. Sorry. Oh. Phone calls, huh? Popular.
I had I see.
Alright, so I'll do this. Boom. Boom.
Compton traffic, have the 32 share final 25 right, Compton.
Sorry.
Alright.
Yep.
Alright, your controls?
My control.
Alright, so you didn't hold it off, right? We hit the runway.
Yeah.
The approach was good. Round out and hold the airplane off the ground. Because you have a lot of airspeed, right?
Traffic, helicopter right, Charlie Foxtrot.
Remember I was saying you need to dissipate or lose energy or airspeed? So just fly, slow fly,
Traffic,
above the runway.
Foxtrot, Romeo going
Alright?
around.
And then when you're in that round out, right there, eyes far into the runway. Okay, look all the way down, and then peripheral vision, feel the runway come up. Good. Alright, slow it down.
Compton traffic, flying 821 Foxtrot, Romeo, turning left crosswind, left close, Compton. Compton traffic, helicopter right, Charlie Foxtrot, final 25.
Helicopter, was that final 25 right?
Compton traffic, have the 32 share taking off from runway 25 right, Compton. Left cross traffic.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot, Romeo, left downwind for 25 left, Compton.
Oh, where this guy's going? Which runway is that guy going on? Up, right one. Alright, let's go.
Compton traffic, have the 32 share turning crosswind 25 left, Compton.
Compton 594 taking 25 left, close traffic, Compton.
Camera.
Yep.
Compton traffic, helicopter right, Charlie Foxtrot, departing 25 right, left close traffic, Compton traffic.
Full power.
Power.
Engine instruments in the green.
Engine instruments to green. Power speed alive.
Not yet.
55 knots.
Rotate.
Rotate. Oh. Helicopter.
traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, over to Boeing 1000, being OS 360, give the space to the helicopter. Come to traffic.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, left base, 25 left, Compton.
Compton runway, helicopter 32 Sierra, left downwind 25 light, Compton.
Compton, Cessna 51594, upwind 2625 left, helicopter in sight, turn in crosswind, Compton.
Compton traffic, sling 821 Foxtrot Romeo, final 25 left, Compton.
Danger.
Is. Compton 594, downwind 25 left, Compton.
Compton runway, helicopter 32 Sierra, left base 25 light, Compton.
Check up traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, turning left downwind, 25 right, Compton traffic.
Traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, over to Boeing 1000, entering 45, downwind for runway 25 right, come traffic.
Compton runway, helicopter 32 Sierra, final 25 light, Compton.
Alright, go ahead and do your, you still see him back there? Should be below us. Alright, before landing checks, alright?
Yep, before ending check there is. Facility bear both. Green light on, visual leads, clear.
RP.
Carpet in, descent breeze.
Alright,
Yep.
below 110, your controls.
110 mic control.
Flaps 10.
On traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, entering 45, downwind for right 25 right, come traffic.
Power 1500.
Check up traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, left base, 25 right, Compton traffic. Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, clear of 25 left, Compton.
Compton 594, base 25 left, Compton. Alright, roll out.
Roll out.
Roll out. Nose up a little bit. Look for our
knots.
traffic.
Penny.
Check up traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, turn to final 25 left, Compton
Final
traffic.
Yes, sir. We'll get slow. 65 to 70 here. Compton 594, final 25 left, Compton. Alright. 70 knots, flaps 30.
Traffic, helicopter 7532 Sierra, taking off runway 25 left, 25 light, typical traffic, Compton.
On traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, downwind for right 25 left, come traffic.
Power reduced to 100.
65 knots, alright?
On traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, turning left with base for right 25 left, come traffic.
Okay, off the fucking runway. Alright, your controls.
Mic control.
Alright, idle.
Fighter.
Your controls, your controls.
Control.
Yep. Good, it's alright. Round it out. Round it out. Hold it off.
Hold it up.
Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Yes, hold it off. Alright. Let it roll,
On
let it
traffic,
roll.
Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, turning left, final for right 25 right, come traffic.
Compton runway, helicopter
Stick to your
32
chest.
Sierra, left downwind
Brake.
25 left, Compton.
Left turn. Good. Compton 594, clear 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, sling 821
controls.
Foxtrot Romeo, departing 25 left, Compton.
On traffic, Cnr 65 Lima Bravo, short final for right 25 right, come
Alright, so
traffic.
the first one, you did good. You rounded it out, you held it
21
off.
Foxtrot Romeo,
But then
hold
you needed to do it
25
again.
left, Compton.
Now you could still fly. We touched
Check up
down
traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, turn left down.
a little early again.
Right,
So just hold it off. Okay? You should see yourself sinking, right? You want to hold it off the ground, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Compton traffic, helicopter 32 Sierra, turning cross, left base 25 right, Compton.
Compton traffic, swing 821 Foxtrot Romeo, departing 25 left, close traffic, Compton.
Facing 965 Lima Bravo, clear runway 25 right, on Foxtrot, taxi back to 25 right, Lima Bravo, come traffic.
Compton traffic, helicopter 232 Sierra, final 25 right, Compton.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, to the base with 25 left, Compton traffic.
Compton, Cessna 51594, taking 25 left, close traffic, Compton.
Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, to the final 25 left, Compton traffic.
Compton 594 on the roll, 25 left, Compton, go. Full power, go.
Full power. Okay, flight instruments.
In the green.
Green, start airspeed alive. Five knots, rotate.
Rotate.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, turning left crosswind, 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, helicopter 32 Sierra, taking off from runway 25 right, Compton.
Crosswind. Left turn.
Left turn.
Compton 594, crosswind 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, left downwind, 25 left, Compton. Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, departing 25 left, close traffic, Compton traffic.
Left turn.
Yep. Compton 5, Cessna 51594, downwind 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, swing 821 Foxtrot Romeo, is going to make a short approach on 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, helicopter 32 Sierra, crosswind, left crosswind 25 right, Compton.
Good.
1,000 feet.
Yes.
Level flight.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, base 25 left, Compton.
Alright, before landing checks.
Full landing check.
Traffic 965 Lima Bravo, holding short 25 right, come traffic.
Altitude.
Attitude.
Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, departing to the south, out of the pattern, Compton.
Visual leads. Here.
Carpet on.
Carpet on.
Power 1800.
Power 1800.
Below
Compton
110,
traffic,
flat 10.
32 Sierra, left downwind 25 right, Compton.
Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, to the left downwind, 25 right, Compton traffic.
Left turn.
Compton, Cessna 51594, base 25 left, Compton.
Traffic, swing 96 Lima Bravo, taking over 25 left, clear left, clear traffic, come traffic.
120.
Left 20.
Right, aircraft on base, you going to the left or the right?
Left.
Compton traffic, 821 Foxtrot Romeo, clear of 25 left, taxi
Final.
back 25 left.
Final turn.
Goes down a little bit. Compton traffic, Cessna 51594, final 25 left, Compton.
There's more power.
Correct to the left.
Okay, Compton traffic, helicopter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, to the left base, 25 right, Compton traffic.
Hurry.
Yep, pitch up for 65, right?
For 65.
Compton traffic, helicopter 32 Sierra, left base 25 right, Compton.
Alright, 65 knots.
9 knots.
Add 100 power.
100 power.
Copy traffic, Helica Midnight Charlie Foxtrot. Turn final 25 right, copy traffic.
Looks good.
Traffic, same 965 Lima Bravo, turning left crosswind, turn right 25 right, come down.
Start reducing power to idle.
Using power idle.
Good. Still nose low, and then be ready to round out. A little bit lower. Round out. Right rudder. Right rudder. Right rudder.
Copy to the runway,
Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Right rudder more. More right rudder. Flare. 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 Flare.
Traffic, same 965 Lima Bravo, turning left down, turn right 25 right,
Let
come
it
down.
roll. Here, I'll help you actually. We're gonna try to make this one. Stick to our chest and brakes smoothly. Left turn. That was good. That was better.
Copy traffic, Helica Midnight Charlie Foxtrot. 42.5 right, copy traffic.
Compton traffic, sling 821 Foxtrot Romeo, taking 25 left, left cross on departure, Compton.
Compton 594, clear 25 left. Oh, That's tough, huh? Was that 2 or 3?
3.
That was 3? Yeah, okay.
Yes. Go to Long Beach.
Nope, we got some more time. Yep.
Okay, copy traffic, Helica Midnight Charlie Foxtrot. Left crosswind, left deep road, right, copy traffic.
Go a little faster. A little bit. Good approach. Good approach. You saw the nose was to the left? And you run it back with the rudder?
Yeah.
Good.
Copy traffic, same 965 Lima Bravo, turning left base, runway 25 right, come traffic. Copy traffic, same 965 Lima Bravo, turning left final for runway 25 right, come traffic.
Copy to the runway, have the 32 share taking off from runway 25 right, Compton.
Compton traffic, sling 821 Fox Romeo, crosswind, final call, Compton.
Copy traffic, Helica Midnight Charlie Foxtrot. Clear to the south, copy traffic.
Hold here. Oh.
Our airspeed like.
Huh?
Plane's landing speed like that.
Their speed's probably a little bit different, but it's close. Is he on the other? Yeah, he's on the runway. Compton, Cessna 51594, taking 25 left, close traffic, Compton.
Copy to the runway, have the 32 share left, crosswind 25 right, Compton.
Lights, camera, action.
Right.
Alright. Action.
And action. Power.
Traffic, traffic, flight 965 Lima Bravo, clear runway 25 right, taxi back to 25 right, Air Bravo.
Airspeed alive.
Traffic.
55 knots, rotate. Okay.
Copy to the runway, have the 32 share left, downwind 25 right, Compton.
Left turn. Left turn.
Pitch up. So you climb in the turn still. There you go. 76.
76.
Confident 594, crosswind 25 left. Downwind.
Rory.
Confident traffic Cessna 51594, downwind 25 left.
Close on the feet. Lever flight.
Copter runway capital 32 share left base 25 right copter.
Ready.
On. Yes. 4 landing checks complete.
The traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, taking runway 25 right for left to close traffic.
Power 1800.
1800.
Copter runway capital 32 share final 25 right copter.
Compton traffic Cessna 51594, base 25 left, Compton. Good. Turn going, then roll out.
Roll out.
Roll out, nose up a little bit so you don't dive at the ground, look out. Okay, 70 knots?
20.
Yes.
Knots. 500 top.
Okay, start another power reduction, maybe 1500. Yep. 1500 RPM. Flaps 30, a little high. Compton traffic Cessna 51594, final 25 left, Compton.
The traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, turning left crosswind for runway 25 right, Compton traffic.
Pitch up, you're getting a little fast for the flaps.
Yeah.
Go high, right? To reduce power.
Power.
Traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, turning down for right 25 right,
Good.
Compton.
Now we'll sink down, right?
Yep.
Good.
Copter runway
Power idle.
capital 32 share
idle.
taking off from runway 25 right left cross the
This is good pitch here. As we get ground effect, almost.
Effect.
Round out, slow, slow, round out, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off.
Oh.
Alright. The
Traffic saying
nose
96.5
pointed
Lima
that
Bravo,
way,
downwind
and you
turning
didn't
runway
pull back
25 left,
enough.
short approach, come traffic.
Stick to your chest. Brake. Left turn. My control.
Your control.
Clear left, clear right. Compton 594, clear 25 left, Compton.
Get in. Landing
Flaps up.
light off.
Traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, short approach for runway 25 left, Compton traffic.
The landing checker is complete.
Same thing, good approach. Good approach. The
Good.
round out portion you need to work on, okay? So
Okay.
just hold the airplane up. Don't fly above the runway, level, like this.
Yeah.
Like, pretend we're in the air 2 feet right now. You want to be looking at this, maybe a little bit higher, okay? Hold it off. And then the nose was to the left, right?
Copter runway
Yeah,
capital
right rudder.
32 share
Get the nose back into the
turning
front,
left
okay?
crosswind 25 right copter.
Traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, short final 25 left, Compton. Traffic saying 96.5 Lima Bravo, going around, come traffic.
Alright, one more here and back to Long Beach, okay? Yep. Clear. Compton traffic Cessna 51594, taking 25 left. close traffic, Compton. Lights. Clear controls. Camera. Action. Go.
Compton traffic, Houston 32 Sierra left, downwind 25 right, Compton.
Traffic 96 Lima Bravo, turn left crossing for 25 left, Compton.
4. Instrument or green. Airspeed alive. 5 knots, rotate.
Traffic same 96 Lima Bravo, downwind for 25 left, Compton.
Left turn.
Traffic same 96 Lima Bravo, downwind for 25 left, short approach has the helicopter inside, come traffic.
Compton 594, crosswind 25 left, Compton.
Compton traffic, have 32 Sierra left,
Good job,
base
climb.
25 right, Compton.
Turn downwind. Yep. Compton 594, downwind 25 left, Compton.
Grab that.
Come traffic same 96 Lima Bravo, short approach for 25 left, come traffic.
Southern feet, never fly.
Come traffic same 96 Lima Bravo, going around, come
Then
traffic.
power. There you go. Alright, before landing checks.
Landing check rate, in light on. First route, bear both.
Compton traffic, have 32 Sierra final 25 right, Compton.
RP.
Repeat it.
Power 1800.
1800.
4 landing checks complete. Yep. Below 110. Flaps
Below
10.
110.
Flaps 10. Power 1500. 1500 power, turn base. Compton Cessna 51594, base 25 left, Compton. Too steep, about 30 degrees, right? Nose up a little bit, about 75, 70 knots. Roll out, flaps 20. Look at your runway, okay? Get an idea for how it looks. 20, final turn, yes. On 70 knots. Compton 51594, final 25 left, Compton. 70 knots.
Left 30.
That was 30.
Compton traffic, have 32 Sierra.
Reduce power.
Come traffic, 5 Lima Bravo, open with the number short approach on 25 right, Compton.
Power idle.
Right.
Hold it off, right rudder. Right rudder.
Traffic same 96 Lima Bravo, short approach for 25 right, come traffic.
just keep the nose low weight off the nose wheel, right? Alright, my controls.
Rear control.
Good job, that's the best one. Grab the landing light.
From the runway, have the 32 share left crosswind 25 right, Compton.
Compton traffic 594, clear 25 left, Compton. Alright. Gotta get back quick, alright? Yep. Hey, Tehun. Can you write out the book for your reservation? Fill yours out, okay? How'd you feel?
Reservation 965 Lima Bravo, clear runway 25 right. Echo, taxi back to 25 right, come traffic.
Touchdown far more.
Yeah, we did. We floated a lot. We were high for a lot of it, but
Yeah.
your landing was good. So I want you to manage your energy more so we get closer to the 25, okay? But
And
better though.
what's the reason approach it?
Approach what?
What's the reason we approach too high?
Too much energy, too much airspeed, yeah.
Airspeed.
You turn, maybe the wind could affect, but also depends where you turn base, right?
Yeah.
But you got to slow down as you turn in, or else you have too much airspeed and energy. So that's why we use the flaps. The flaps help, and so do slips, but we're not doing slips yet.
Yeah.
But, so if you would just start reducing the power and getting the flaps in sooner, we would have gotten lower earlier. Okay.
Yeah.
Compton, Cessna 51594, taking 25 left, departure to the blimp, Compton. Lights, camera, action.
Right. There. Power.
Right rudder.
Engine instruments are green. Airspeed alive.
25 right, Compton.
55 knots. Rotate.
Left turn.
Prep tap.
Compton, take up the 32 share, final 25 right, Compton.
Compton, Cessna 51594, crosswind, 25 left, Compton. Pitch up.
Prep tap.
Up, go straight.
Straight.
Yep.
Traffic, 965 Lima Bravo, holding short 25 right, come traffic.
Taxi of hotel. Long Beach Airport Formation Hotel 1753 Zulu, wind 180 at 7, visibility 10, 1,600 scattered, ceiling 3,800 broken, temperature 22, dew point 16, altimeter 3000. ILS runway 30 approaching use, runway 30, runway 26 left, runway 26 right,
Have a flight.
tower frequency 119.4, advise the runway request. All departing aircraft contact clearance delivery priority taxi on 118.15 with position at departure point. All ground traffic use 133.0. Land and hold shore operations in effect. Nose airman. Your option is approved 26 right.
Option 26 right, thank you, zero, no problem.
Tower, Cessna 51594, 6 west with hotel, request 26 left.
November 51594, Long Beach Tower, enter direct left downwind runway 26 left.
Direct left downwind, 26 left, 51594.
Good Tower, helicopter
Alright, guys, you need, my controls real quick.
air taxi to Juliet to be landing.
Yeah.
Copter 9 Charlie Foxtrot, air taxi to expect to Julie Boom line.
Alright, is there anything you can put, I want to get the plane back for the next guy. Is there anything else you guys need to grab right now?
Copter 684, Fable, right turn kilo, contact ground.
No?
I like kilogram.
Alright, we'll be quick then, alright?
November 3, Sierra Charlie, frequency change, Bugatti.
3 Sierra Charlie, see you later.
Sheriff 8 landing, Sheriff ramp will be at your risk.
Sheriff 8.
Alright, that was good. We're gonna do one more, alright? One more landing. Last one. Last one. Make it count.
So we need to approach the Long Beach Tower?
I called him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're talking to him here.
Long Beach Tower, citation 28 Romeo Kilo, holding short of Lima 2, will be ready to go in sequence, runway 30.
Citation 28 Roman Kilo, I'm sorry, Roger, just I release, waiting for land traffic 26 track.
Okay, thank you.
Number 594, I'll clear base on down.
You call base 594. Hey, hun. Can you also fill out the start of his part? Like, copy your numbers down for him, okay? That way we can do that quick, too.
Rear 0 Romeo Bravo, left turn Kilo 2, contact ground.
Left on Kilo 2, contact ground 0 Romeo Bravo.
Number 28 Romeo Kilo, runway 30 Lima 2, quick takeoff.
Again for 8 Romeo Kilo.
Number 8 Romeo Kilo, runway 30 Lima 2, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 at Lima 2, 8 Romeo Kilo.
Alright, carpeet's on, well, yeah, carpeet's on, gas on, undercarriage down, mixture rich, landing light on. Cool, before landing check's complete.
Before landing check is complete.
November 594, citation departing 30, party, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 594. 594, request long landing.
Cessna 594, long landing approved.
Thank you. Alright, we're going to land a little bit long, okay?
Wow.
That way we get closer to the end of the flying club. So a little bit longer than normal, okay? I'm going to turn you on final, then I'm going to hand it to you, alright?
Okay.
Number 8 Romeo Kilo, traffic at your 9 o'clock and 4.5 miles northwestbound is a blimp. So 1,600 contact, SoCal departure, safe flight.
Okay, we've got the blimp over the 27.28 Romeo
Alright,
Kilo.
you see those white hashes?
Yeah.
Oh,
Blocks?
sir, 126
I want you to aim for that, okay?
226 left,
Right,
Foxtrot
your
1
controls.
for 2 laps left, close traffic.
126 North Golf, Long Beach Tower, roger, standby, landing traffic on request.
Pitch up a little bit, 70. Add 200 power.
Add 200 power.
Yeah, I want to get further down the runway.
I will make butter.
Keep going.
Alright.
Okay, nose going down. Okay, right rudder.
Right rudder.
Right rudder, get the nose straight. Right rudder, nose down.
Up.
Nose down, right rudder, more. Hold it up. Flare. Alright, that's alright, my controls.
Your control.
I'm gonna take us to Foxtrot 5, alright?
Yep.
Cessna 594, left turn at the end, kind of ground.
Turn at the end, over to ground, 594. Alright, you do the, after
6
landing.
November Golf approved, runway.
After landing checklist, 03000, landing light up.
Ground, Cessna 51594, Foxtrot 5, taxi flying club.
Cessna 51594, Long Beach ground, taxi via Foxtrot.
Via Foxtrot 594, thanks. Alright, I'll take it in real quick.
Long Beach ground, Charlotte
Clear left.
43900.
Clear right.
Long Beach Flying Club. Retest to taxi to runway 26 left, they line up.
Turkey 14900, Long Beach ground, 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Taxi via Foxtrot 90 Sierra.
Alpha 1016, Sable, can you run the numbers for Lima 2? If not, you can expect a back taxi.
Alright.
Yeah, we can run the numbers for Lima 2.
Engine shutdown checklist, parking brake set. 03000, avionics switch off.